welcome back, and today I will show you how to increase the quality of video using your CapCut ad. So make sure that you downloaded it using the App Store or maybe Google Play. So open the app, create a new project and choose the necessary video you want to edit. For example, I would like to edit this one. I will mute the audio and also delete the last part with CapCut ad. So now we can, for example, edit our video. I would like to remove the starting part, so I will just delete it. So now our video starts from the movement. So I want to export it, but before export I want to also change the quality. I would like to export it. So to make it, I just need to click on the panel with our quality right up here. So now we can change the resolution we want to export it. I don't suggest you to, by the way, make the highest quality, because if your video was made in 1080p, so it wouldn't be showed like 2K or even 4K. So you can make it 7 to 20. And the next part, you can change the frame rate to number of frames per second. So you can choose 16, 15 or other. And here you can also turn on the smart HDR if you want. And as you can see in the middle of the screen, there is an estimate size file. So if you will turn the quality to the highest and turn the frame rate to the highest, the estimate file size will be the highest one. So now when we changed, we just need to click on this arrow to export it, and now it's exporting in the necessary quality. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like, write your comment and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.